be my first indie comment. Oh, excuse the camera. Trying to open with one hand. Ooh. And not drop it. Ooh, was he bubble wrap? And I just didn't drop that. Excuse the close up. Oh, what's inside the box? I will stop dropping it. Nicely covered in bubble wrap. Thank you, Kevin Davis, the creator. I can put the box down now without worrying. It's got to be done, doesn't it? Popping it. Pop, pop, pop. It's got to be done. Got to be done. Ooh, here it comes. Oh, there you go. 4 camera angles. And there it is. My first indie comment received. Go check out Kevin Davis on Insta and all socials. Check out Arkfyre and back him. Let's have a look inside. Excuse the close up again. Oh, look at the back. Oh, purple, my favourite colour. Just that's the first page I open it up at. Oh, look at the art. Story. Pages are smooth. Go back Kevin today.